today only.
You played from school only, everything.
So like it was like we had to solve worksheet. I had two doubts. I asked him on the spot. He gave me the answer also.
Okay. Samarth, you whole trigonometry you finished off. This one, the book we are doing no MCQs. All MCQs you have done, Samarth? Samarth, have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done. I have done all, but sir, I have a doubt from other questions. So
Tell me
can
which
I?
question you are having doubt.
No, sir, not from that PDF. It's
Huh?
another question. It's another question from another PDF.
Okay. Can you send me?
Yeah, I can send. Sending
In the
personally.
meantime, I'll see the question which is there. I just
Okay.
send you that 1 minute. What is the answer for this? Tell me.
Which one, sir?
Huh?
Uh, okay, just a minute.
So you have sent me this one, right?
Yes, sir. That's the question.
So which question you are sending, Baba? Chanchal, on your camera, Chanchal. Your camera is working properly, right, Chanchal?
Sir, it will be D, sir. Last one. For
Huh?
120. The answer will be last one, sir. D.
Acha, the answer will last. Okay, anyway, let's
Yes, sir. The 30 degrees.
30 degree. Okay.
Okay.
I'm mentioning your question over here. So in this question, it's given that ABCD and EFG are the squares of side 4 centimeter. Both are side 4 centimeter only, right? In the square
Yes, sir.
ABCD, DMB and MQC, DMB and PMQ are the arc of circle with center A and C, respectively. Okay. After that, what they are given here? In the square AEFG, the shaded region is enclosed by two arcs. With center at E and F. What is the ratio of shaded region of the square ABCD and AEFG? Shaded region we should find. This one you can find easily. This one ratio you can find easily. This area. How to find this area? Because P and these are not midpoints, right? How to find the area of the
Yes.
smaller one?
Take the radius is small. Yeah, I think
Ah.
those are my
So
points.
radius you should take 2. They have not taken given anything now.
Let me. No, they have not given.
So how to do? This one is what? Arda the question, half question, right? This you can find easily because this radius is 4 only. But this radius we can't say this is 2, right? This we can't say only. So how to find this radius? We can't do only, right?
Yes, sir. That's it.
And again here if you see this radius is fine. Here you can do. This one you can find easily.
Yeah, that's easy. But the second figure, that ABCD, that one is a little different. I was confused. So they have given the answer as A, sir.
He answer they've given.
Yeah.
Let me check. This area we can write pi into 4 square by 4, right? Theta by 360 means 4 will come. Next this area will come, we don't know. Yeah, this part only I'm not understanding why they have given this part. If nothing is given radius, how to, on what basis we should find the area of this? On what basis we should find this area? Correct. This area on what basis we can find? Ratio of the set region of the square ABCD and AFG. Okay, Samadh, I'll check this question from my side. I just check
All right.
because
Yeah.
this they are not given this side only of this one. Then if we can't find area, now
Sir,
how
what
to
if we take that 2, sir?
huh?
If we take that 2,
Huh?
2 cm, PC equals to CQ equals to 2, then what will be the answer?
Okay, and then this in this case, second case, if you see second case, this is one arc like this. This is also quadrant. This is also
Yes, sir.
quadrant. How to find this shaded region? This
That's the common
overlapping.
part of a sector, yeah.
Huh?
That's a common part of a sector.
Yeah. So you should make one line over here, right? In
Yeah,
between, you
yeah.
have to make one line. And this is like a segment, you know. This is like a segment, you know, segment formula. Others, Samarth.
Yeah, yeah.
The 2 into segment formula you can, if you can find. And this you subtract from what? Area of a square. Okay.
All right, sir. This can be done. Okay, so please see about that, how to find that length. You can see about.
Area of a square minus 2 into this is the area of this one, right?
Yes, sir.
and then this you can do. If you this you know, you can find pi 4 square plus pi 2 square by 4, right? And this you subtract from when? Subtract from 4 square only, right? 4 square minus this you do, you'll get the area of the upper one. And this one, if you do, you'll get area of this one. This is clear what I've done here, Samarth.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So this one, if you want to do, you can do, not a problem. So from this part, what you will get is C. From this one, I'm finding 16 minus, in bracket you write here, this is 4 and pi 16 pi plus 4 pi. This become, you just write numerator part, here you can write 16. Area of segment. What is area of segment? Area of segment is area of sector
Minus area of triangle.
minus area of triangle. The sector area is what? So radius is 4. So 16 pi by 4, right? So 4 pi minus area of triangle, half base into height. Half base into height. 2 2s are 4, 8. So 4 pi minus 8. This is 4 pi minus 8. Now
Okay,
solve
sir.
this one. What do you get? An answer is coming in pi only. So how to solve this? 16 4s are 64 minus 16 pi, sorry, 20 pi. Divide by 4 into 1 divided by 16 minus 8. 16 plus is 24 and minus 4 pi. Someone is coming like this, see. So what you can
Yes,
take common here?
it's
8,
okay.
4 you take common. It's coming like this. Then 4 4 is 16. 16 minus 5 pi divided by, it's coming this pattern. If it is half, by figure you can say this is not half, right?
Yes,
Hmm. Any other question?
no, sir, this only.
And Chanchal has did
Clear, clear, I think.
Chanchal have done all the questions before only. Correct, Chanchal? Okay, tell me, Chanchal, if you're done, tell me this 24th question, what you told? You told something answer for this?
Yeah. Should I message you?
Ah,
Okay.
what you told? The answer? 30 degree.
Yes, sir, 30 degrees. Yeah. It's a bit of long process, I feel.
What?
It has a bit of long process, sir. It
Yeah,
takes
this is
time.
very easy, but sine
Yeah,
pi whole square plus 1 plus cos square phi plus 2 cos phi, right?
yes.
Divide by sine phi into
Good
1
evening,
plus
sir.
cos phi. This only you have written now.
Yes, sir. The same one.
I'm solving, just try to understand. Chanchal, you are getting what I'm solving over here? Chanchal. She is there in the meeting or not? I don't know.
So she is there.
This only method, no?
Yes, sir. It is the correct method.
That's it. Easy, small question only, very small, right?
Yes.
Solve the next question. Question number. Solve this. ये कब देखी? ये कब आया? अच्छा। What is the answer for this? Samarth?
Sir, it's
Chanchal,
n
are you there
square.
in the meeting? Hemant, you join now.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer for this? Tell me. Just solve this question.
Yes, sir.
What is saying? Someone wants A equal to 127. What do you have mentioned?
Yes.
Sir, can you do it? I'm not getting it.
Samarth, what is the answer for this? Samarth?
Sir, n square is the answer. D.
Huh?
Sir, A, sir, A. First
In
one.
square.
Yeah.
It's easy actually, right?
Yes, sir.
So cos alpha by cos beta whole square plus cos alpha by sin beta whole square in whole bracket close. Should write here cos square beta. This one you should find, right? So what we can write here, cos square alpha divided by cos square beta plus cos square alpha by sin square beta. Cos square beta, right? How we have done, Samarth?
Sir, just telling. So, sir. Sir, as we have found cos alpha by cos beta equals to m and cos alpha by sin beta equals to n. So m square equals to cos square alpha by cos square beta. N square equals to cos square alpha by sin square beta.
What I'm doing, that you can understanding is, see what I'm doing right now. This is it correct?
Yeah. Yeah, you are doing correct.
Cos square alpha and cos square beta. Again we can write here cos square beta. So here cos square beta, cos square will get it cancelled. From numerator, if you see, you can get here cos square alpha common, sin square beta plus cos square beta whole divided by sin square beta, right? So this become 1, the cos square alpha by sin square beta. What is that?
Sir,
Cos alpha by sin beta whole square, right? And this is the
sir,
n square, correct?
yeah, correct.
Chanchal and Hemant, is clear to you people or not? Hemant, Chanchal, why you're not responding, children?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Sir, can you explain how do you get the whole square?
which step you are having doubt? Which
First
step?
step, sir. First step.
First, second, third, fourth. Which step you are having doubt, Hemant?
First step, sir.
See, yeah, they've given m square plus n square. What is m here? That only whole square I've done. N is square. So n is this one. So this is square. Now tell me where is the doubt?
Yes, sir. Get it now.
Tell me. Hemant, now is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. See question number 128.
Sir, we had done this right in last
What
class.
happened?
Sir, we had done this question in last class.
We have done this question, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do these two questions? What area under circles? Area under circles you want to do? Area under
Yes, sir, we
circles
can
you want
do
to
that.
do? Samad?
Yes, sir. Sir, areas of this, sir, area related to circles is completed, right?
Then which chapter should do right now? What we should do?
Sir, can you please check which part is remaining? Probability is
What?
then, sir, which chapter is remaining in for discussing the questions?
Meaning like
And
MCQs, right?
yeah. From that PDF has sent you, that one.
Uh, we have done polynomials and all we have done.
Polynomials
Wait, I'll
done,
check.
sir.
I'll show you what we
Yeah.
have done. I'm sharing the
Okay.
screen once. 1 minute.
All right.
देखो इधर तो टिक जाएगा नहीं क्यों बना रहे हो होगी तुम वही ठीक है तो भूख लगा है तुमको ना see this much questions we have done coordinate polynomial set of circles introduction to trigonometry which part is pending over here quadratic equation
Sir,
so
the
you do
real
quadratic
numbers also done, right? We have done real numbers.
huh
Sir, real numbers we have done, sir.
real numbers we can do right
Yeah.
first chapter only is real numbers
No, sir. Real numbers is completed already.
completed
Yeah, we have done it. I have also the I
let's
marked
see which part we should do which part you should do now just see once
linear. I think linear is also done. I have
huh
to do that. Linear equation in two variables is also done. Polynomials is also done.
okay
Triangles is done.
huh
Is triangles part done?
angles
Triangles. Sir.
no triangles we have not done
Also we can do that.
we'll start triangles only then right 1 minute page number 193 is there, no? Polynomial and triangles. Okay, we'll do triangles now. Okay, triangles. See the first question. Tell the answer. This is very easy, right? Answer is 2, right?
Yeah, it's true.
Next. What is the value of x over here? The second question. Value of x. Value of x in the second question. Tell the fast. Tell.
Sir, B, sir. AC by B plus C.
Which one? Option B.
Yeah, sir.
How you have done? This is 46, 46.
Yeah.
This is B. This is C.
Sir, KP and KLM.
What?
Here K is common in triangles KPN and triangle KLM.
Okay, this triangle you're doing, and then it's big triangle, right?
Yeah.
So I'm drawing the question
And
right now. Wait, I'll just draw the diagram for this.
yeah, already.
One is KPN, right?
Yeah.
And one you are
KP.
saying KLM, correct?
Yeah.
So KP is not given, KN is not, PN is given X. This is 46 degree. NK is C. NK. And MN is MN is B, means M to K. That is B plus C, right? Correct, no?
Correct.
Sir,
Say. Hello, Hemant.
yes, sir.
What are you saying? Tell me.
I was telling nothing, sir. I was like, yes, that is option.
Okay. Samarth, then what to do here? By which similarity this is same?
Yeah. So
By which congruency
they
these both are same?
are double A.
46 is coming and K is common, right?
Yeah.
So we can write here what they're asking here X. So see here X we have to find. So X by LM is equals to C by B plus C, right?
Yeah, sir.
So LM is what? What you can write for LM then? What is LM here?
LM, sir.
LM is
Sir,
given A, right?
yeah. A.
So X is equal to AC divided by B plus C.
Yeah. Correct.
Huh. Next one. You understood? Chanchal, you are there in a meeting or not? He is not telling anything. Hemant is clear what I have written here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now question number 3rd. डाउट पर ये है ना कैसे बात करेंगे एड्रेस समझ में नहीं आ रहा
So you have copied half the question only.
What Samarth, what are you saying?
You have copied half the question only.
Yeah, it was half only. Then I was just going to up, then to copy that.
All right.
वहां का तो चलो एड्रेस डाले हैं हम
Now it's full, no? Now it's solved.
So the value is root 3 P, sir.
नहीं
B option is correct.
अच्छा स्कोर तो लास्ट में प्राप्त कर रहा हूँ
So now tell me the answer for this. Hemant, you should tell the answer. ABC is an equilateral triangle. First you draw the equilateral triangle over here. Equilateral triangle. ABC. Someone is telling B option, okay. Length 2P, 2P, 2P. AD is perpendicular to BC. Value of AD they are asking. So this is P. This is P, right? So this will be root over 2P square minus P square. The answer is 2P square means this one like this. 4P square minus P square, 3P square. The answer is root 3P. Very easy question. Hemant, you understood? Hemant, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
These starting questions are very easy. Next question, you tell me. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meters stand vertically upright on the level ground. If the distance between their foot is 12 meters, the distance between the tops.
Sir, 13 meters, sir.
13 meters.
Yes, sir. 13 meters is the correct answer.
Okay, fine. The two poles of height 6 and 11 stand vertically upright on the level ground. The one is 6, one is 11. So the distance between the foot is 12. Distance between the foot is what? 12. The distance with the top. So here also we should apply Pythagoras theorem. If total is 11 here and down part is 6. So if you see top part will be 5 only. This is already 12. So 5 and 12 apply Pythagoras theorem, we will get this is 13. The answer is 13. Hema, these all questions are very, very easy. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If you're not understanding, just ask because these questions are very damn easy questions. Next question is question number 8. We are going to do now. Question number 8. Area of right angle triangle is 40 square centimeter. And its perimeter is 40 centimeter. Length of hypotenuse is what? Area of right angle triangle is 40 square centimeter. Area is given, that is 40 centimeter square, and its perimeter is 40. A, B, C. So perimeter is 40 centimeter.
Sir, B is the correct answer. 18 centimeters.
B.
18 centimeters.
How to do this question?
Sir, can I tell?
How you got summer? This is 18 centimeter. How you can say?
Sir, Hemant also got the answer. He was saying that he will reply. So let him reply. Sir, so I am telling the answer, sir. Sir, C equals to root over of A square plus B square.
Something you can't see properly, can't hear properly. 1 minute. 40 square centimeter, perimeter is 40. So A plus B plus C is equals to
that one.
40. The area of right angle triangle is 40 square centimeter
Hello.
and square meter is 40 centimeters.
Yeah.
How you got?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
One
okay, sir. I am telling the process.
Huh?
Sir, C equals to root over of a square plus b square. Through Pythagoras theorem, we
A
get
square plus b square. After this,
a plus b plus c equals to 40 and half ab equals to 40. So ab equals to 80. So c equals to 40 minus a plus b and ab equals to 80. Then, so sir, squaring both sides, we have c square equals to 40 minus a plus b the whole square. It will get a square plus b square equals to 1600 minus 2 into 40 into a plus b ka whole square. We can expand from there. We will get a plus b equals to 22, hence c equals to 40 minus a plus b, and c equals to 40 minus 22 equals to 18 centimeters.
Yeah. So, okay, Saturday, what time you will send cab? ठीक है, okay, ठीक है, okay.
1 minute. Just let me check.
हो गया ना मंडे, तो कोई दिक्कत थोड़ी है।
हाँ मनी हो गया.
कैसे नहीं हो गया? मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे 6 दिन हो गया। 6 दिन हो गया ना?
1 minute. Summer.
मंडे को नहीं हो रहा आपका।
Yes.
फिर वेडनेसडे बोल रहे हो।
कल वो इतना दिक्कत है. छुट्टी लगे वरना कर लो.
छुट्टी तो है उस वीक में ऑलरेडी। अरे पेपर डालना है, सुन ही नहीं रहे, क्या बोल रहे हैं? इसी वीक को मंडे को डाल देंगे। ठीक है, मैसेज कीजिए। मंडे वो पेपर डालेंगे तो हो ही जाएगा ना, पेपर दिख जाएगा ना उसको। पहले रिस्क लेना, ऑलरेडी जब अप्रूवल आ गया। 606
Correct no. Samarth.
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir, I am unable to see your writing.
Then we can write here C if you want to write. C is equal to a square plus b square. A plus b is equal to 40. Half a is equal to 40. So C is equals to what we can write? 40 minus we can write a plus b, right?
Yes, sir. Then we can square both the sides.
Right. C square is equal
Yeah.
to what means in just squaring both sides. A
It
plus
will take a bit time to
Huh?
square it. It will take a bit time to expand it. So you can do it.
what you are saying, Samar?
Sir, it will take some time to expand this equation.
Huh.
It's a long process. So you can do it or directly you can write here.
Okay. So it's a find hypotenuse on a C only, right? The here you can do easily, no problem. You just expand only a plus b value you should put, I think.
Yes.
So a square plus b square means a square plus b square plus 2ab and a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 into 40 into a plus b. It's coming like something, so much big thing is coming.
That's what I was saying. It will take too much of time.
This big is so big is coming now.
Yeah. It took too much of time to me.
Okay, then what to do?
In place of that, sir, we can directly write that a plus b equals to 22. We'll get after expanding it.
B is equals to 20a.
No. A plus b equals to 22.
A plus B is equal to
22.
20,
22.
22.
Yeah.
How it came 22?
After that expansion, you will get 22. A plus B. Alright, so C equals to 40 minus A plus B equals to 40 minus 22 equals to 18. We'll get the answer.
Let me hear the 1 minute. समझ नहीं आया थोड़ा भी. One minute, Samarth. Dinner. Hello, Samarth, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's better now.
Sound is नहीं आ रहा है. It's not coming here. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Sir, am I audible now?
Samarth, can you hear me now? Samarth,
Yes, sir. You are
Yes,
audible.
sir.
hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Something is wrong, I think, in this. I cannot hear only anything. 1 minute.
Sir,
How
you are
to
here
do
now.
this? Hmm. Samarth, now you tell me anything.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir. Do you hear us?
Now
Sir.
it's coming. Yeah.
All right. Sir, after expanding this equation, C square will, we will get A plus B equals to 22, sir. So, sir, we got the equation for C equals
Now
to,
you tell me, Samarth, what we are saying now. Now you say.
yeah, we got A plus B equals to 22 after expanding this equation.
Hello, you are saying something, Samarth.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Again, it's not working. 1 minute, 1 minute. क्या हो रहा है इसको यार? हो गया 15 हो गया. शुरू 10 कराने चल रहा था आपका. 1 minute. Samarth? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Tell me, Samarth, what you are saying now.
Yeah. After expanding this equation, C square equals to 40 minus A plus B ka whole
हाँ,
square.
हाँ.
We'll get A plus B equals to 22.
अच्छा, A plus B is equal to 22.
Yeah, we'll get A plus B equals to 22. Then we have got the equation that C equals to 40 minus A plus B. So 40 minus 22 equals to 18. We got the answer.
Okay, children. Today we'll close the meeting. Some disturbance is there today. Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next day we'll
Thank
do.
you, sir.
All right. Bye.